Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajadi Gani Olaiwa. I will be talking on how to secure research grants and funding in microbiology. First and foremost, I would like to speak on grants. Grants are specific amounts of awarded for a particular purpose without the obligate to repay. So now I'm moving on to securing grants and funding in microbiology involve a strategic approach. Firstly, we have to identify the funding source, which is it from government grants, for instance, like National Funding Agency in USA, which we have a National Institute of Health, National Science in US that supports microbiology. Research to be foundation also, which employed or focus on health, environmental issue, but could be industrial partnership by collaborating with biotech and pharmaceutical companies in microbiology. So after identifying funding source, the second one you need to take note is develop a strong research proposal, which defines the specific goal and significance of your research, methodology of that research by outlining the method and approaches you will use, budgeting and impacts of that particular research. And thirdly, network and collaborate by joining organizations like American Society of Microbiology, that is ASN, to connect with other researchers by going for a conference, attending and present at the conferences to share your work and meet a potential collaborators and funders. And fourthly, you stay informed, regular check for new deadline and keep up with current trend in microbiology to find your proposing interests. And you need to take your to write effectively, like using a straightforward line, a complex concept research, and customize your a specific guideline and interest of the funding agency. And the sixth point you have to note when you want to secure a research grant, that is seeking a feedback before submission. Before submission of the proposal, you have to your write up to your colleagues, review the proposal to prevent a like experienced researchers who have successful the funding. And the seventh point, which we have to note when you want if when we are seeking for research grants, we have to follow up after the submission. Proposal is proof a future applications, and also maintain relationship by keeping in touch with funding agency and collaborators for future opportunity. By following these steps of securing your grants and fund your microbiological research. Thank you for listening. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Daniel. Do you have any question for him, please? Any question for Daniel Olaluwaju? So the assignment for Ganu is that he is going to get 2 research grants within the next 2 weeks that the research group can apply for, and he will send it to the group, and then he will coordinate the research application. Is that taken, please? Is that taken? Olanrewaju, did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Any question for him, please?
I heard you.
All right. Any question
Yes,
for
sir.
him? Any question?
I have a question.
Go ahead.
I have a
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I want to ask that in situations like that.
Please ask the question again. The line broke.
I've said it. Thank you for the question. I've explained.
I said in a situation where one keeps applying for grants and one is not granted the grant, what can you advise?
My advice is that we need. I've explained it. It's part of what I've discussed. But in addition, you can consult a successful person that has been secured from funding before, so that you will get the process from the person. But if you don't have a such person around and you can reapply, there's no pity on that aspect. Maybe there are some things that is being required that enable them to drop or they are unable to accept your proposal. So you have to keep applying and connect with those people that they have the experience on that.
Okay. Let me just add this.
Thank you, sir.
Let me add that you may need to take a course or get material on grants. There are many online. Definitely, anybody that wants to apply for grants should have familiarized themselves with certain things. So if you do the right thing and you don't get it, you just keep applying. Except if you do the wrong thing. So if you do the right thing and you didn't get it, then maybe other people. There are many people that applied and they have to choose out of them. Maybe you are not chosen. So training is important, but if you are sure you have done the right thing, then you leave it and keep applying to other ones. Any other question, please?
Thank you, sir.
Any other question? Okay, if there's no question.